Hey everybody, my name's Ethan Bravo. I'm an account executive here at GoSearch, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create a Go link from the GoSearch platform. As you can see here, I've already typed in a particular query. Where's the GoSearch blog, for instance, right? We're using our web source data connector to pull this information. As you can see, the top resource is going to be that blog post. For any resource that we come across that we want to create a Go link for, it's super easy. We come over to the three dots and we'll have a couple different options. The most important one, obviously, create Go link. This will go ahead once we click it and take us to our GoLinks dashboard where we'll automatically pull in the destination URL. And all we have to do is add a couple things to it. So for instance, the link name might be GS blog. I can add a tag to this. We'll call it GoSearch. And now I can add a brief description. This is the GoSearch blog. And now I can go ahead and create that Go link. And I can share it across teams, off their channels, you name it. Come up to my browser, type go/GS blog, and as GoLinks work, we are right there to that specific resource in a matter of seconds. So anyway, that's a high level overview of how to create a Go link from the GoSearch platform. Thanks for watching.